Is the striking off of two advocates from the role a constitutional issue? That was what was under the microscope today in the Constitutional Court.
So it heard arguments on whether advocates Nomgcobo Jiba and Nomgcobo should be struck off the roll. The High Court earlier found the two were not fit to be advocates and ordered their names to be struck off the roll. The
General Counsel of the Bar of South Africa instituted the matter against the two, but the Court of Appeals ruled in favour of Jiba and Nomgcobo.
A lengthy battle for the embattled advocates. In addition to facing a commission of inquiry, they also have to defend their livelihood in court. The General Counsel of the Bar of South Africa wants Jiba and Nomgcobo struck off the roll. The question is whether this is indeed a constitutional issue.
What in law entitles us to interfere?
The General Counsel of the Bar of South Africa is adamant the matter is constitutional. It cited Jiba's exalted position in the NPA.
In our submission, also in view of the nature of the beast, the National Prosecuting Authority, and how that body has manifested in our young democracy, we need guidance on this. This is a case where, if there is a constitutional point, if we can make it a constitutional matter, this is the case to do that, to cut that knot.
Both Jiba and Nomgcobo's legal teams disagree.
We've always remained adamant that the Constitutional Court does not, as of right, have jurisdiction to entertain this matter, because in our view, no constitutional issues were raised in this appeal, no arguable points of law were raised on appeal. It's purely an interpretation of the facts, and if we are correct, this matter should have been the end of its further adjudication at the SCA. And quite interestingly, the judges were quite robust with the appellant's legal team precisely on those points.
Just what are the implications of the pair being struck off the roll?
If the Constitutional Court upholds the decision of the High Court that both Nomgcobo and Jiba are not fit and proper persons to be advocate and therefore should be struck off the roll, this would mean the end of their careers within the NPA, as the NPA requires them to appear in court.
On the 15th of March, the Mohoro inquiry into Jiba and Nomgcobo's fitness to hold office will submit its finding to President Cyril Ramaphosa. Sibongile Mganibolweni, SABC News, Constitutional Court.